whistle where I'm standing. You hear the engine running, you hear the miss. Almost a mistake if you didn't know better for a helicopter and hover. Get closer, get around the trees. Still hear the miss. Watch the exhaust. I gotta highlight this right. The miss and the exhaust pulses come together. It's almost like a helicopter and hover. Thump, thump, thump noise.